Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another market report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday, and it's April 25th. This week we got a lot of economic data, but today we only have the new home sales for the month of March. But this week will be actually pretty jam-packed, full of different data that's going to be coming up. And on top of it, the trend on top will be the Fed meeting. We have the FOMC will begin their meetings tomorrow, and then they'll be giving their announcement on Wednesday. Now, we don't anticipate any rate hikes at this particular meeting. June meeting, there's very little chance, like around 20%, and then if there is to be a rate hike, they think it'll be most likely in the September meeting. But they are going to be keyed in on what the Fed says, if they're going to be a little bit more of a hawkish tone versus the last one, where it was more, they felt more of a dovish tone. They want to see if she changes her tone in this coming meeting. So stay tuned, and that will be on Wednesday. Also, we'll have the GDP numbers coming in this week. Will give us our first glimpse of the first quarter. Last 2 years we've been suffering with weather that's really negatively affected. This year we didn't have the weather to blame, so we'll have to kind of wait and see if it's a little bit better than we expected, or if it's as bad as they're anticipating. So that's why when we're talking about earnings reports, the feelings or the sentiment is real low. They feel the bar is set really low. But to get back on point here, we got the new home sales for the month of March. So in February we had 519,000 new home sales, and the forecast for March is 518, and it dipped a bit lower to about 511,000. A lot of that was attributed to a sharp decline in the West, which lowered the national numbers by about 1.5% from 1 month to the next month. Right now, the stock market's down. We've had some so not only the new home sales was disappointing, but we've had a lot of earnings reports that came in very disappointing. Oil has been in the $43 range. It was in the high 43s when we left on Friday. Now it's down to about $43 so far this morning, so far today. Bond market, we're up. We're down for the day, but we're up about 3 basis points from where we left off on Friday. So the pricing is about the same as where we left off. Now, you may see kind of a sideways pattern here until Wednesday when the Fed gives their speech and then their announcement, which could boost it upwards, which gives us better interest rates, or it could drop further. We do have some possibility here. As we mentioned, we could drop all the way down as low as the 101.60 range, which would be right in this area, which would be the next step here, next range that could drop down to. All right, folks, so rates are about the same where we left off on Friday. I hope you guys have a great day. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.